Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I am Nazir Ahmad Wani, Master High School Gundchibutra, Zone Langate. I am delivering a lesson from subject biology for class 10th. My topic is reproduction and its types. It is from chapter of class 10th. How do organisms reproduce? First of all, I will discuss what is reproduction. The creation by a life form of a similar life form is called reproduction, or the process by which species is continued by an organism is called reproduction, or the process by which a living organism multiplies to form new individuals of its kind. Then types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction in living organisms. First is asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is also called apomixis. In this type of reproduction, no gametes are formed. Therefore, fusion of gametes or fertilization does not take place in this type of reproduction. Sexual reproduction is also known as amphimixis. In this type of reproduction, two sex gametes are formed and fused. It involves sporogenesis in flowering plants and gametogenesis in higher animals and fertilization. Types of asexual reproduction. There are 6 main types of asexual reproduction as fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. Number 1, fission. In this type of asexual reproduction, a unicellular organism like protozoa and bacteria splits to form 2 or more new organisms. It is further of 2 types, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission. In this type of fission, the parent organism splits to form 2 new organisms. For example, amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, etc. Here I have drawn diagrams which show binary fission in amoeba. Here, this is diagram of adult amoeba with nucleus and cytoplasm. It undergoes binary fission. First of all, the nucleus lengthens or elongates. Then 2 daughter nuclei are formed from one parent nucleus. Then cleavage. Here cleavage is formed. Then cytoplasm divides here. Cytoplasm is dividing into 2 parts, giving rise to 2 individuals. Here are 2 smaller amoebae produced. Then multiple fission. In this type of fission, the parent organism splits to form many new organisms. For example, Plasmodium. Multiple fission takes place in Plasmodium. Here, this is the diagram of adult Plasmodium. It forms a protective wall around its body, as it is a unicellular organism with nucleus. This is cytoplasm. This is cell. And here you see this is outer, this protective wall is cyst. Then it undergoes this multiple fission. The cytoplasm and the nucleus undergoes division within the cyst, forming daughter cells within the cyst, as you see in this diagram, which the further the cyst gets ruptured, releasing the daughter cells, daughter individual cells, which ultimately form adult organisms of Plasmodium. I hope that you have got this lesson. Thank you.